Hi, in this video, we are going to explore what Invotide ShopBot means, how it works, and how you can use it to boost sales and improve your customer support services. So, when you sign up for the Invotide ShopBot service, you'll be able to access the service by navigating to admin panel dashboard. And in the admin panel dashboard, navigate to the sales channel section, and then you select the shopping bot option. You'll notice that in the shopping bot section, you see that you have various options here. All right. So basically, what the Invotide ShopBot is an omni-channel scripted conversational bot that enables you to automate live chat support within social media apps such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger. So once the service is active and is integrated to your Invotide store, you will notice that whenever a customer tries to chat with you on any of these social media apps, your shopping bot will be active to respond to the customer. So we are going to demonstrate that now by opening the WhatsApp. This is a demonstration of how it works on WhatsApp, okay? So the first thing we do as a customer, we open let's say this is your WhatsApp account. So a customer is trying to chat with you on WhatsApp. So we open it, and let's say, for example, we type in hi as a message here. All right. So you see that as soon as your message is sent as a customer, you can see that the ShopBot will automatically respond, providing options that the customer can choose. So we have the option in this example to either place an order or make an inquiry. So let's say, for example, we want to place an order. We go ahead and select this option. All right. So once we select that option, you see that the ShopBot will automatically provide us with a reply, providing a link to the online store. So as a customer, they can easily access this by clicking this button. So clicking this button, it will enable us to open the demo store that we have set up. So as a customer, you can access it within WhatsApp, and then once the store is open, the customer can proceed to place an order and then check out. So let's say, for example, instead of placing an order, we want to make an inquiry. We can always come back, we select the make an inquiry option. All right. So once we select that, you see that we are presented with another prompt. So just as I said earlier, the ShopBot is a scripted conversational bot. So everything you see here is already pre-programmed. So what we are going to do is we'll proceed to, let's say we want to find out if the order we made has been shipped. We can choose the first option that says get order status. All right. So as a customer, once they choose that option, you see that they are presented with another message to enable them to track the order. So clicking on this track order button, you see that we are navigated to another page, all right, where we can proceed to enter the order email and then the order ID. And then once we click on the view order button, we'll be able to view the order details and see the current status of the order. So you see that we are presented with another message here. if we have an existing customer account, we can proceed to log in by clicking this button to view the order details. All right. So let's say, for example, we want to chat with a human agent. Let's say the issue we are trying to resolve as a customer, we are not able to find it within any of the prompt options. We can go ahead and choose the chat with agent option here. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. All right. So clicking this will present us with another prompt. So we have the option to now add the message. So let's say, for example, we have an issue with our order. We come here and type in the issue. So we say, if my order will be delivered tomorrow. All right. So once we type our inquiry as the customer, we send it. All right. So once we send it, you've seen that the bot has acknowledged the inquiry, and then a chat request will be logged for this customer, and notification will be sent to the human support agent to connect with this customer. So what we do now, immediately a customer sends a chat request, we can access this chat request by coming to the store admin panel. So let's say we are currently in the store admin panel dashboard. So to access this request, we navigate to the sales channel section and select the shopping bots option. So here you see this option that says requests. We go ahead and select it. So you can see that opening the requests page, you see that the new request that was made by this customer has been logged here. So as the store owner or as a support agent, you don't need to be on the chat page to know when a customer has an issue. So this is a useful section that enables you to track customer inquiries and also proceed to chat with the customer in order to resolve the issue. So let's say, for example, we are now going to connect with this customer. To do that, we come here and click on the respond button here. All right, you can see that once we click on the respond button, we are now presented to the customer's chat page. So we can see the history of messages that the customer has sent. And then you see that in the chat history page, you see that this is the inquiry that the customer has made. So as a support human agent, you can proceed to chat directly with this customer by opening the chat box here, and then you go ahead and send the message to the customer. So let's go ahead and do that. I can confirm that your order will be delivered tomorrow. All right. So this is just an example of a simple message that you can send. So let's say once this is sent, all right, you notice that when we go back to the WhatsApp page, so this is the app, let's say the customer is viewing this, you see that the customer can see the message that was sent. So this is a basic example on how you can resolve a customer's message when they request to chat with a human support agent. So note that as you are resolving a customer's issue, you need to also be tracking the status of each request. So currently, once we resolve a customer's issue, we must always come here and click on the resolve button. So note that before you click on the resolve button, you have to ensure that the bot reply is active. So to get this active, we come here and we click on it to reactivate it. So currently now you see it's active. So once it's active, you can then proceed to click on the resolve button. So this is important because if you don't enable it, the customer will no longer be able to get automated replies from the shopping bot. So we will now proceed. Since we have resolved this customer's issue, we will now proceed to click on the resolve button here. All right. So you see that the request has been resolved. So if the customer comes again, and let's say the customer sends another message here, says hi again. So you see that the bot will always reply the customer and provide the customer with option that they can choose to either place an order, make an inquiry, or any other action you want them to perform when they send you a message on WhatsApp. So basically, this is what you can do with the ShopBot. So for advanced option, we have the option to upgrade the shopping bot. Instead of providing scripted replies, we can integrate it to an AI model to make it more intelligent. So this is an add-on service that can be activated if you want that. So to do that, we go back to the shopping bot section. If you want to order the AI integration, you can come here, as you can see here. You select this option, and then you go ahead and place a submit ticket button here. And once you do that, we'll proceed to process your request. So note that all these other sections, we have covered it in another video, which you can watch. So for this video, we just want to look at the basics to understand what Invotide ShopBot is and how we can use it to boost sales and improve customers' support services. Thank you for watching.